Alright guys, so if you're tired of spending so much time, you can't find wholesale suppliers, you're not sure where to look. Well, in this video, we're going to use a tool called SmartScout. This is specifically designed for wholesalers and being able to find brand direct accounts, wholesale suppliers, and so much more that I won't be able to fit into one video. But I can guarantee you guys that this tool is very powerful and depending on how you use it and what you use it for, alright? So just real quick, if you do want to sign up for it, I do have a link down below. It does give you, I believe, 25% off for your first 3 months. Try it out. Let me know what you guys think after this video. And yeah, so let's just dive straight in. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and yeah, guys, let's just get into it. So when you get on the app, the software, whatever you want to call it, the first thing you want to do is go head over here to the left and click on brands, which we already are. And as you can see, we have a different few filters, right? So we have brand, category, primary subcategory, Amazon in-stock rate, and if you scroll, there's a lot more. So, but for this video specifically, we're going to try to keep it short, simple, and just, not overcomplicated. So basically what you want to do, you want to pick a category that you're probably familiar with. Now, for this video, I'm going to pick some random category. Let's try pet supplies. And once we do that, if we look at the bottom, there's at least 38,000 brand results that we can try to open accounts with. Now, you can go even further, deeper and more specific, which I highly advise you guys do because 38,000 is a ton of different brands. Not to mention a lot of them have Amazon. So Amazon in stock rate, personally, I like to keep this very low, 30%, because I really don't want Amazon on any of the brands that we're trying to reach out, all right? So yeah, so you can see we cut it down to 36,000. Let's go down even more. Average number of sellers. Minimum for me is at least 3 to 4. We'll do 4. Because anything less than that is probably their brand exclusive or private label. So you definitely want to, try to keep a decent amount of sellers on these listings. Let's see. Average price, you can mess with that. But for this video, I'm just going to keep it short. Monthly revenue estimate. Honestly, I like to keep it low because you never know what kind of brands you'll find, right? So 30,000 monthly max. Let's try 300,000. Oh, I think that's 30,000. Sorry. So now you can see we're down to 132 so far. And for the time being, we'll leave it just like that, guys. All right, short, simple, nothing too complicated. Now, of course, you can mess with more like the average rating, total product count, and so much more. But like I said, for this one, we're just gonna keep it short, simple, and sweet. Now, before we get into the next step, let's look at the lowest monthly revenue brands. So, as you can see, we have Ecolabs, Kentucky Performance, and a bunch of other different brands. So we're just gonna pick one random brand from here. Let's try Groomer's Edge, and we'll see what it pulls up. So right away, we definitely see they have a few products already on Amazon, so that's good. Now, if we don't already have a software like referral where it'll show you some quick data at a quick glance, I highly advise getting something like that. Just because you want your process to go much faster and so much smoother. Let's see, 10 FBA sellers, 5 FBA sellers, 11, 7. I mean, yeah, this one has some potential to be just pretty good and actually reach out. So to me, at a quick glance, this looks like a winner, or at least a potential winner, right? Basically, after this point, you're gonna want to Google the brand, see if they have a website, see if they have a contact information site. Call them up, email them, and try to open that brand account. And just like that, you already would go through one brand. So let's keep going, right? Let's try another one. Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird International. 100 monthly sales, 100 monthly sales. So yeah, I mean, this one looks like it has some decent amount of sellers. Some brands, 4 sellers, 5 sellers, 3. I mean, they have plenty of products obviously on the Amazon site. So yeah, this one looks like it could have some potential and actually open an account with. So again, guys, just like that, we've already found 2 decent brands that we can go and try to open accounts with. Now, I say try because it's never guaranteed to open accounts with these brands. Chances are they could have exclusives. They don't want any more Amazon sellers. So at that point, it just comes down to how you're gonna pitch yourself, to brands and whatnot. But yeah, I mean, guys, you're literally just doing this one by one, scrolling through each brand until you just, have a whole list of suppliers down, ready to open accounts with, ready to buy, products from. So let's try one more. Try this one, Iceland Pure. So let's see. Is this even the brand? Yeah, Iceland Pure. 700 monthly sales, 400 monthly sales. They only have like 4 products on here. Number of sellers, 6, 3, 7, 1. So they have some sellers for sure. Their top main products are like Amazon's on their listings. So, but I mean, all those guys, you can go further deeper and really look at the keyword charts and whatnot just to, verify how good they look. So, but yeah, guys, I mean, like I said, that's basically it. That's basically all you have to do. Nothing complicated. Like I said, filter out what you want, what you don't want. Like I said, you can continue to mess with it. You can add your own filters. If you want a certain storefront, you can do that. The average number of FBA sellers, you can do that. I mean, a whole lot of stuff. All right. Like I said, I don't want to take up too much of your time. I just want to keep it short, simple. And guys, you literally do this, and you will find hundreds and hundreds of brands. Like just straight up, searching like this. And let's try one more. Classic, what, Empire or something like that? Classic Akeen. So this one has some free products for sure. 50 monthly sales. Now, to me, 50 monthly sales is pretty low. I mean, if you're a beginner, you can obviously try to work with that and, try to build up your store. But to me, that's pretty low. 100 monthly sales. Even that barely passes, but that's not too bad. But yeah, guys, do this, and I guarantee you'll find a ton of brands. So hopefully that was very helpful, guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions whatsoever. Drop it down in the comment section down below. And as always, guys, I will see you on the next one. And I hope this brought you value.